Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Speed of Grades. In previous class, we talked about aggregate functions in which we saw maximum, minimum, sum, average, and count. I'm going to continue this lecture with from previous tutorial in which we talked about these queries. Okay, maximum, minimum, and sum, average. So there are uh, there is a problem in this, that is um, first of all, let me tell you that what are we going to start in today's topic. We are going to see the group by clause. So in some of the cases we need a group by clause, in which case let's see. So for example, I have a data. Okay, I have created a table. Okay, in this I have added two uh, extra columns, that are store name and store city. In previous tutorial we just added these three columns. Okay, and I have added data. Okay, already added data. You know how to add insert data in columns, so you can do it by yourself. Okay, so we have data here: ID, name, price, store name, and store city. Okay, now as you can see that we can count the products, we can count, we use count for counting purpose. But for example, we want to count, like we want to count the products of Manchester. Okay, or we want to count the products of Hyderabad city, or we want output as here Hyderabad, and here we want the counting of that how many products are there of Hyderabad. After that we want the second row as Manchester, and we want the counting of Hyderabad products. After that we want another city, and that city's products counting. So we want line by line. So how we can do that? We cannot add here a column, like we cannot add any other column here, like we want to add here price. Okay, so it will show error. For example, execute this command, so it will show invalid, because we cannot another because by using count, there in output we will have only a one value. Okay, and we have of prices, we have many prices. So it will be confused that which output I have to show. So we use group by clause for that confusion. We want to have a list of cities and the counting of products each city have. Okay, each city or each store have. Okay, so let's continue. Now for example, we are counting. Okay, select count um, count product, sorry, count name. Okay, we are counting name from product where store city equal to Manchester. Okay, so what it will do, it will count the products of a Manchester city. Okay, let's see. First of all, let's see how many products are there. In this, you can see 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now let's see what is the output. Now you can see we have 3 products of stores that are present in Manchester city. Now In this, we want to add a column of city also. Okay, we want here name as Manchester, and we want the counting of that here. Okay, we want two different columns, one column for city and other for counting of products. Okay, in this we are seeing just the counting three. Okay, if we want to add city, so if we add here the city store, for example, we are adding the city. Okay, it will show the error invalid. Because why it is showing invalid? Because we have a lot of cities. We have Hyderabad, we have Manchester, and we have Toronto. So, and in this query we are just uh, showing the city of Manchester, and this is just a one value, and we have 6 cities. And it will show, it is confused. So what we will do, we use group by clause for this. How we can use that for this purpose? Let's see. First of all, let's remove this because it is incorrect. So what we will do, we will use group by. Group by is used for grouping. It will group the same cities and show the total products of that particular city. Okay, for example, we have Manchester, so it will group the repetition of Manchester city. It will see that how many cities, how many repetitive cities are there. So it will group them and then count them. So how we will write that? We will write select. Okay, now we are grouping it by city. So we will write here city. If you are grouping by some other thing like by shop, if it is possible that we have shops in different cities, so names of shops can be repetitive, and products can be repetitive. So you can group by anything you want. So I am here grouping by city, so write here city count, and in this we will write all count all. We are counting the all the data of price. You can write here price also, but I'm writing all because it will show the same output. From product group by okay, I have written the wrong column name. We have a store city. Group by store city. So now we will execute this and see what we have got. In this we have, let's named this count as total total cities okay. Now you can see Hyderabad, we have 2, Manchester 3, we have a product of Hyderabad city, and their stores are 2. Manchester city has grocery store and another 2 of the grocery stores and their products. So we have 3 total, and we have Toronto only one time. In this you can see we have this one, Toronto. This is only one. Okay, so that is how you can use the group by clause, and it is very easy to use. You can group by anything else. If you have any problem in this, you can comment down below if you are having problem in grouping. So email me. I have pasted my email in the description below. So this is how you can use group by clause. I have simply written the column name, okay, and after that I am counting the whole data. After that I have written as a name, okay. I have written the name, the new column that I have counted. So I have written a new name for that. And after that, we are choosing the table name and we are grouping that by store city. By we are grouping them by cities. You can group them by store name. Okay. Let's, for example, we are here store name. Okay, store name. And right here, we are grouping it by store name. Okay. What is output? Okay, Big Mart, we have Big Mart one time, Grey Mart one time, grocery one time. We have all the store names one time. If we have a Big Mart two times, we have two products that belongs to Big Mart. So we will, it will be two here. Okay, so that is how you can use the clause group by. So in the next class, we will talk about join statements and merge statements, or I will write the next topic in the description below. If you have any question, if you have any assignment or any queries, you can comment down below or you can email me at uh, the description below. Okay, I have written the email in the description below. So I hope the today's topic group by is clear to all of you. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it to everyone else.